Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by monthly tea subscription, and this is my March box. You always get a card that shows you all your tea and some more information about those, so I'm going to set that aside for a moment. And we're just going to dig in. So there are a couple packages, and I only send you 4 when they're individual packages like this. And this is Revolution Tropical Green Tea. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. Packaging doesn't look familiar, so that is interesting. Excited to try that. Have a couple more packets here from Brewleys. And this is an Irish breakfast tea. There are 4 of those as well. And again, I don't think I've had anything from that company. So that's new and exciting. Then they always give these little refillable tea bags for the loose leaf tea, which would be right here. This is Rallying Cry Chai. Balanced blend of cinnamon, cloves, ginger, cardamom, and a rich oolong tea. That sounds good. Very cool. So I got a package of that, and there's pretty much in there. And then the last one, Organic Everyday Detox from Traditional Medicinals. I don't know that I've had anything from either of these companies, so that's kind of cool. And I'm a little partial to the ones that are already in bags just because I'm lazy, but these little fillable ones make it super, super easy as well. So let's take a look at the card. Tells you the caffeine level, steeping time, and there's usually promo codes for most of them. So packed with information. If you guys would like to try this subscription, I do have a promo code below that I'll put in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.